Did you know that whilst most schools in the UK are free to attend, students usually need to pay to study at higher education level? There are many benefits of studying higher education, such as better job opportunities, higher average salaries, and you get to become an expert in the subjects you love. So many students are happy to pay to learn. If you plan on studying a course at a university or college, then don't worry. The government has money available that you can apply to borrow to help you cover the cost. This includes money that is paid directly to the institution for your tuition fees, and money that goes straight to you to spend on living costs, such as rent, food, and clothes. Most students will apply for this money, but you don't have to. The amount you can borrow depends on things like how much money your family earns, where you choose to study, and where you live. Repaying student loans isn't scary. You only need to pay it back once your course is finished, and only when you are earning over a certain amount of money. Also, the money comes out of your wages automatically, so you won't be sent bills every month. The government wants people to keep learning, so they try to give you as much financial support as possible. There are also some other sources of funding available that you don't have to pay back. These are called grants, bursaries, and scholarships. Because you don't have to pay the money back, these forms of funding are very popular, and you may have to compete with other students to get them. You can find more information out about these through each university or college website. Many students also take on a part-time job whilst at university for some extra income. You can also combine paid work and higher education by doing a degree apprenticeship. Degree apprenticeships allow you to study for a higher education qualification while having your tuition costs paid by an employer and having a paying job at the same time. Also, there is a high chance of a job with the employer once you have finished the course. So, is it worth it? Research shows that graduates will earn on average 20% more over their working life than those who do not have a higher education qualification. Plus, by 2022, it is expected that half of all jobs will require a degree or equivalent qualification. Funding your higher education journey is an investment in your future.